Ooh. Ooh.
好像这个鞋是这里出来的。为什么这里的电风扇啊？风扇它这个水喷出来的，凉快。
He's coming. He's coming this way. That fellow is gonna come. Oh, there he comes.
And there he comes. Wow, beautiful flight. Right up here. Now this, ladies and gentlemen, is Genghis. And Genghis is a Himalayan human vulture. Now these birds, they are found in the mountainous region of Central Asia. Now the two birds that you saw flying across earlier on, those are the Now these two birds you see out here, these are white-headed vultures from Africa. Now the two birds that just joined us, our Lapel Ribbon vulture, also from Africa. Our black vultures from South America, back again. And a big one flying right up there, some marble stones, also from Africa. However, not even a print, but often from scavenging among the vultures. And a great catch by the black kite found throughout the world. And here they are once again, ladies and gentlemen, the Fuji Bird Park. Thank you very much. Now I'd like to introduce you to the falconers who are working very hard to make this show
Do you like it,
possible.
Josh?
Down the field, right over there, we have Mars.
Yeah, what's in there? You liking it, Josh? Did a good. What's the bird's name, Josh? Thank you. Say thank you. Hey Josh, how did it feel? Oh wow, how did it feel? It's heavy? Oh, wow, okay. Thank you.
Journey into the world.
ഇതിനകത്തുള്ള ട്രെയിനാണ്. അത് ഞാൻ ഇതിലേക്ക് കൊണ്ടുപോകാം.
Here at the Jurong Bird Park, there's so much to see and do. Catch the birds and light show, and a cast of talented birds who sing, dance, count, and even play basketball. And their buddies at 11 a.m. and 3 p.m. For the kids, the Children's Parent Show, 1 p.m. daily at the booths at the theater tomorrow night. To your right, bright and colorful blooms coming to the tropical rainforest. The Jurong Bird Park,
Having a good ride, Josh?
the largest heliconian collection center in the world and the only one in Asia. To your right, dazzling bright red orange.
Huh? What? But I want to take a picture. And then you can come back. Just go there and come back. No, I can't see. You have to get close, Chucky. Go where that orange shirt kid is. Did you say hi to the hornbill?
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, it's time. Shall we start the chit-chat? What do you say? It's called a cast. C-A-S-Q-U-E, cast. Now the cast acts like a helmet See when these birds are flying or dashing through the tropical rainforest, they're flying. That part will protect the face and the eyes. Alright? Look at the bills, look at the cars, and you add them together and you tell me, are they heavy? Yes or no? Yes, heavy. Actually no, sir. Actually not. They're actually hollow and lightweight.
Yeah, Josh, he's coming towards you. Just climb on this thing. That's the only way you're going to get. You won't be able to reach otherwise. Step on that, Tux. Touch, Josh. You don't want it, Josh? Josh. Go ahead and touch him. Are you okay? You want to touch him a little bit more? No? Okay. That's good enough. Okay, keep going slowly. Okay, keep going. A bally miner? Did he become friends with the zebra? Huh. Yeah?
That's what zebra is, bally miner.
Have you seen a zebra chasing a bally miner? It's not bally, it's bali miner. What is it? Oh, there's a baby branded broadbill there? Yeah? Why are you yawning, Tokos? You do? Jurong Park bus edakkan wait cheyana thirichu povanayittu. Bus number 194. Yeah? Boonley bus terminus lana nakane. You can lie down on the grass for some time. Yeah, chumma nammal enna parayumbo adinte opposite parayana athrollു. Boonley bus terminal ana. There's a big double-decker, ducks. Big double-decker. Another one coming in. We are train tracks and more kind. Let me know when the train's coming, Josh. Let me know. The train, there comes the train, Josh. Here he comes. Like a Singapore government in the HDB flats on the side. Don't step aside. Don't go close. There he is. No, don't come towards me. അങ്ങനെ ആ ട്രെയിൻ കഴിഞ്ഞു. ബോനവെസ്റ്റ സ്റ്റേഷനിൽ ഞങ്ങൾ ഇറങ്ങി.